guys, welcome to my nighttime routine. I'm coming home from a really long day, had dinner with my brothers, and this is my nighttime routine. Whenever I come home, I go straight up to my room, throw everything on the bed, try to make myself comfortable. And next, as you know, I like to update myself, the things that I missed like the past 3 or 2 hours. Then I take off my accessories like my watch, and this watch took a long time to come off. Then I love putting my accessories back from where I got it so I don't have to look it for the next time I want to wear it. That's a big tip for you guys, and I love and I die for this tip. Now this is a clip of me trying to dance. I look very stupid, but bear with me. Now after that little dance, I made myself a little bit of tea, and those of you who know me, I hate tea. I just did it for the sake of the video. Then I love taking selfies, me drinking my tea. After finishing my tea, I'm on my phone again. This is what I do like 70% of the time. And here is a moment of silence. I love lip syncing, I love singing, and I love jamming to my favorite songs, and this was great. And here's my favorite time. I love spending time with my family and telling each other how our days went, and I love it. And as you can see, I was loving my outfit and I was feeling myself, but I love to change up and go from this to this, something comfortable. Now I take all the makeup off my face, then go straight to a long bath. I usually don't like bathing. I prefer shower because it's easy. And if you're not like me, you like bathing, it's up to you. Do you? And after a long bath, I love coming back to my room and doing all these things like my skincare. I love my skincare, and it's a big routine in my life. Here's the most interesting thing. I wear glasses. Most of the people don't know that I wear glasses, but I don't know why. I still don't know why. After getting my glasses, I go straight up to my bed. Don't think that I didn't brush my teeth. My teeth. Oh my god, I didn't brush my teeth. But I did it and I lost the clip. And don't think that I didn't eat. I ate outside with my brothers. And these times I used to watch some TV shows and all that kind of stuff. I don't know what I was watching right now, but I think it was really stupid or something really funny. And also I take this time to text my friends and take some time for them. And I'm like 100% sure that I was texting my best friend. So this is the end of my nighttime routine. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a big and beautiful comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the time.
Sorgen.
Welcome to the final show. I hope you're wearing your best clothes. You can't drive the door on your way to the sky.
Hi.